Basketball, you betcha. We're back in the gym. It's the Daily Trainer here each and every day to give it to you each and every way. I hope you got those shoes tied tight because we're ready to take flight. Let's get into it. But before we do get into it, make sure you hit that like, make sure you hit that comment, make sure you hit that subscribe button, share it with somebody, let them know, hey, we out here teaching basketball for the free. So go ahead and get it as much as you can from me, the Daily Trainer. All right, now we're going to get right into it. We're going to jump rope. We're going 2 legs, 2 feet, jumping off that ground, getting as high as we can, flipping that rope. If you can't jump rope and understand the timing, it's okay. Put the jump rope to the side, and then you're just going to be jump roping, and you're going to do the motion, and we're going to get used to it that way. That way we don't have to worry about tripping over our feet, the jump rope hitting our head or back of our leg, our shin, and then we're in pain. I've been there before. I've done it. You know, I was your age at one time, so I get it. Okay. And we're going to go 1 leg jumps as well. Okay. So we're going to do that, but then we're going to work right into our agility on top of that. So I want our 1-legged square jumps after we get done doing our 500 set of jump ropes. Okay. So jump ropes are going to be 1 set of 2-footed jump ropes. Then you're going to give me each set 1 foot again. Okay. And then after you do that, you're going to give me 2 feet again. And then you're just going to give me big jumps on the last one for the 100. Okay. And then we have our square jumps. We're going to do 5 sets of the 10 with each leg. Okay. So you're jumping in that square on 1 leg. You're going to feel the burn. Don't worry about it. You're going to be okay. Just shake it out, get to the next leg and get right to it. Okay. Then for our agility, again, we're going to go over our cones and we're going to work our pogo jumps. Okay. After we work our pogo jumps over, we're going to do that 3 times. We're going to do 1-leg pogo jumps. Okay. Then we're going to go to our broad jumps. Okay. So there's no cones there. We got our broad jumps. We're jumping forward. We're landing under control. We're not landing hard. We're landing soft. And please just make sure you are under control when doing these drills. Okay. Now, after doing these drills, you're going to be a little tired. So quick water, like run over, get a quick drink, and then run right back over. Okay. Then we're going to get right into our layup series. So this is going to be our warm-ups that we do every time we come out, just to get us loose, to get us moving, instead of other workouts or other things that we're not ready to do just yet. Okay. Then after we make our series of layups, we're only going to do that 2 times through. And you're going to be tired again. Hit the free throw line. We're going to make 3 free throws, and then we're going to go into our footwork. We're going to throw that ball out. We're going to work our footwork. We're going to rip through. We're going to finish. We're going inside pivot. We're going outside, and we're going to be good. Okay. So let's make those layups. You're going to make 5 on each side. Then we're going to work our floaters. So as we work our floaters, we're going to get that ball in the air, hitting it off the glass. I just want you making 2 floaters each side, right and left, and then also in the middle. Okay. Keep it in your right hand if you're right-handed. Keep it in your left hand if you're left-handed. Okay. Make sure when you take your approach that you're really getting that power into it and you're lifting it up and you're not trying to like shoot it in. Okay. Because then you have difficulty when you do face a bigger player and you can't throw it over their hand. Okay. So just a tip for you, just in case you get caught up doing it the wrong way. Then I want us to do the 3-cone drill where we're kind of not doing zigzags. It's 3 cones. So you're going through 1 cone crossing over, going through the other cone crossing over, and then you're going to finish. Okay. We're going straight down the floor, straight from half court, and we're getting in there and we're finishing. Okay. I like this drill because it just represents bodies flying in front of you at the last second, and you're just changing direction without stopping. Okay. So that's really the biggest thing with this drill that I want. And then a new drill that I'm going to show you today, after we do this one, I want you to make 3 on each side when we do it through the cones. And then a new drill I want is kind of a tempo drill. Okay. So where you're going to push the ball down the floor, you're going to misdirection over to the right wing. You're going to work on that step back. Okay. And then you're going to give me a move. So the only move is going to be step back hesitation and then step back in and out today. Okay. And after we do that, even if you don't get the footwork right and make the 3 layups on both sides of the floor, what we're going to do is we're going to bring it back. We're going to do our 2-cone drill again, and you can kind of work those moves in more of a stationary setting. See, so do you see how that drill kind of works for you? Okay, so now you're going to take that and do those. Then you're going to work on attacking again, which I love this drill because it represents someone guarding you, and you're never going to get to be square shoulders to the basket. A lot of it's going to be facing east and west. So now you have to really change that direction. So coming from the side, getting to that elbow, crossing over, going through the legs, and then going behind the back. Okay, remember, we're going to finish everything on the same side. Okay, we're going to finish everything on the same side. Okay, we want to do these, each move 3 times. So when you do the crossover, you're doing 3 layups. When you do through the legs, you're doing 3 layups. Behind the back, 3 layups. Then you're going to go to the other side, and you're going to do the same thing. Okay, so this is one of my favorite drills. Again, like I said, we will be learning how to finish layups because that is what our focus is. Okay, a high percentage shots, that's what we want to work on. Okay, so we're going to go to the free throw line. We're going to make 5 free throws real quick. After we make those 5 free throws, we are back to it, ready to do it. Okay, so we're going to go under the rims, do some shooting form. Okay, let's make 5 on each side. We got a right side, left side, and in the middle. Okay, really work that form. Okay, we're going to do 2 sets of 3 level shooting where we go layup, we go free throw, and then we go at the top of the key for 3. Then after we do that, we are going to shoot. Let's do 5 today. 5 baseline runs, and then 5 wing runs. Okay, we're gonna do that, which I do like a lot actually, just because it keeps us moving. And then after we do that, we are going to do a dribble up 3s, but I only want you making 2. Okay, these are gonna be quick. I just want you to keep that feel of the dribble up and not lose the idea of how you're supposed to dribble into that 3 and control your momentum. So you got right hand pull up, left hand pull up, then we're going down the middle, right hand, left hand, then on the left side, left hand, right hand again. And that is exactly what we will be doing. Okay, and so after all of that, it only leaves one thing, and that's conditioning. So I hope you guys are ready for that. So I'm gonna break that down for you too. And it's all gonna be intertwined, like defense and a little bit of basketball dribbling. Okay, we're ready to go. So now we are going to do some dribbling. Again, we're gonna push that ball full court, which is great, and it's gonna help us with our conditioning. And we're gonna do that 5 times on each side of the floor. Then after we do that, I want to push the ball zigzags because it's a very tiring drill as well. We got that 3 times each. Remember, we're keeping it very simple with our dribbles. It's crossovers through the legs and behind the back. Then we'll dribble straight down. Then we're going to incorporate defense. To this week, we got 21. Can you hit the 21 mark on our key slides? So now you're going to slide back and forth. We're going to hit 21. Remember, this is 30 seconds worth of sliding and work. And so that is what we are trying to accomplish. Give me 3 of those. Quads are going to be cooked, but we'll be okay. All right. And then we're going to work our 2-cone drill that I like so much, where we slide over the top and back under to the next set of cones. And that's a great drill just to work on your footwork and not cross your feet. I can't express that enough to let you know how important that is. And then at the end of all of this, we got 3 liners in 36 seconds. I know the time keeps creeping down and the reps keep going up, but that's okay because we're built for it. So Basketball U, that'll be your conditioning today. If you want to get extra work in, that'll be with your left hand, and we'll do 17s. And then you'll also do the rebounding drill where you're throwing it off the glass with one hand. Okay, so you can do that for extra work. If not, Basketball U, you are done. Hit the free throw line, make 10, and call it a day. It is the Daily Trainer. I am so happy to have been with you today, and I can't stress enough that we have to work on being in shape. If you haven't seen the results of being in shape yet and what it does to somebody, then I need you to continue to work until you do get in shape so you can see it, and then you can comment and say, wow, I made that guy look like he wasn't very good. And it's all because he wasn't in shape. Okay. Or girl, girls too. Got to do the same thing. All right. It's the Daily Trainer, and I only got one thing left to tell you. Someone's always working. Are you?